So, yun lang siguro yung number one na Pinoy count ng coaching staffs kasi use mo yung for the past 3 games is yung energy and aggressiveness ng defense. Then, ngayon wala kami masabi sa pinakita ng mga players, especially on the first part of the game na talagang yung pressure defense from the back end sa front of ng main area. Nasunod namin yung gusto namin na magawa. Nasunod ng mga players. Same time, sinunod ng mga players natin. So yun yung pinaka-importante doon na how they play as a team, especially in defense.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Arvin, yung sabi na natin before the game na grabe na yung defense yung scouting station talaga in Ginebra. But you want to try to find a way and overcome it and be able to get after team positivity, provide a spark. And tonight, nagawa mo yun. Ano bang pakiramdam na you were able to see yourself, be able to do that, and get away with the series?
Well, I just really happy to because kasi kung hindi, so what you said, find a way, and we as a team found a way today. Sarap naman sa feeling, but again, it's not it's just one win. It's a best of 7 series, so you gotta win 3 more, and hopefully, tuloy-tuloy yung magandang gawin like today, especially we had 28 assists, and from the next game up to the last, we really have to just find a way to win. Kasi first, ito na yung na, and 3 more. Mukhang imposible, pero wala na imposible.
Arvin, just to follow up, you said it's just one win, pero gaano kalaki yung impact ng panalo na ito, speaking as a player, one of the players of your team, with how you guys have been blown out the first 3 games of this series?
Kung ikukumpara mo, alam mo yung parang nasa ilalim ka ng tubig, tapos di ka makikita. And then ngayon nakakaan kami. So, nakakaiba na ulit. Yung kumpiyansa nakakaling ulit. Yung belief namin sa sarili na sa team, balik na ulit. And yeah, 3 more.
You know, open the floor to questions for today.
Arvin, congratulations.
Thank you. Ay, sorry.
Arvin, nagkakawin ko na yung Golden State. Pero may konti kong regret na itook yung grade 4 para maganda yung laro niyo.
I guess siguro may parang sana, maganda na yung nilaro from the start. But I try to iwasan yung gano'n na to look back nung past game. But yeah, of course, may isip mo rin sana maganda namin since game 1. At least siguro diba medyo kumakas yung chance namin, or at least baka nakakuha pa kami ng extra na tanan. But that's in a series like this, diba, yung past is wala na. Importante ngayon is to look forward na.
Forward ka. Yung kanina parang mga series, consistent talaga siya ng tunay. Kapag talagang pinahit talaga yung team. Aside from your support to get this team.
That's yung maganda kay Kadim, hindi mo na sa kailangan i-motivate. Ano na talaga siya, motivate siya sa sarili niya. Hindi siya nawawala ng kumpiyansa, hindi nawawala yung aggressiveness. Hindi mo na sa kailangan pinaka-consistent sa amin. Siya yung talaga nagdadala ng team. So, yeah, sobrang laking blessing sa akin na si Daniel yung naging effort namin.
Regarding that, syempre, like what you said before, that's why we're in the semis because of also with the effort of Khabib na talagang pinapakita niya not only in the game but also in practices na how we motivate the team and how he be a leader in the team. So yun yung characteristic ni Khabib. That's why for this series talaga naging kinapos man kami for the past 3 games pero siya still gusto niya talaga manalo. So yun, pinakita niya today na hindi siya bumitaw dito sa team.
Coach, si Paolo ba started the game in the game well? Ano yung reason na position na start siya?
Siguro, para kay Pao. Pao, good job.
Actually, ang nag-decide nung hindi na tinanong ni Coach Bonnie na kung sino yung first 5 today. Ang nag-decide nung kaya na-start si Pao is because of our players. Yung mga players, sila RB, lahat. Para si Coach Bonnie pinag-decide niya kung sino yung starter namin. Which is sa pagbotohan niya ng team is si Paul Pinto start. Which, maganda yung pinakita ni Paul. At the same time, for the previous game namin, even ang game 2 or game 3, talagang consistent si Paolo both offense and defense. Okay, so that's why, binigyan siya ng pagkakataon ni Coach Bonnie to play for this game.
So si Frank ba?
Kay Fran naman, wala namang problema kay Fran. Although coach's decision, maganda naman yung pinakita ng ni Jose sa point guard, even Paolo na nakatulong sa amin sa third. Even Agent, Tirata, na kahit kumakawalan yung minutes, na-label na namin. So yun yung mga players na kailangan namin. So yung kay Fran, wala namang problema.